It's 11 p.m. The essay is due at midnight. And you? You're reorganizing your desk drawer. Let me paint the scene. The assignment was given 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks. And for 3 weeks, a tiny voice said plenty of time. That voice is a liar, and tonight, it presents the bill. Stage 1. False confidence. It's just 1,500 words. I write text longer than that. You open the laptop like a hero entering battle. Stage 2. The ritual. You cannot possibly write without the perfect playlist. And a snack. And water. Hydration is important. And suddenly it's 11:20 and your document contains exactly one word. Your name. Spelled wrong. Stage 3. The bargain. If I write 300 words every 10 minutes, I'm fine. You have never once written 300 words in 10 minutes. Tonight, you decide, is when you become that person. Stage 4. The transformation. 11:40 p.m. Something ancient awakens. Your fingers blur. You quote philosophers you've never read. You use the word furthermore twice. You are no longer a student. You are a deadline-powered machine. 11:58. Submit. Heart pounding. Confirmation screen. Victory. And then you say the most human sentence ever spoken. Next time, I'm starting early. You will not start early. Here's the funny part, though. That 11:40 p.m. machine, that's proof you can focus. Panic just did the scheduling for you. The trick is borrowing that energy without the terror. Give yourself a fake deadline a day early. Tell a friend to hold you to it. And that midnight monster becomes a 4 p.m. mild inconvenience. If you've ever typed furthermore at 11:52 p.m., subscribe. Future you needs this channel more than they'll admit. See you in the next scribble.